Introducing the 2021 Volvo Xc40 T5 Phev Inscription. This stunning Estatejeep in blue with a 1.5 litre petrol plug-in hybrid electric engine offers a luxurious driving experience. From air conditioning to satellite navigation, this vehicle is packed with comfort and accessories features. Safety is a top priority with ABS, anti-collision system, and lane departure warning. The stylish chrome package and roof rails make a statement on the road. With a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer-specified servicing, and a comprehensive warranty, you can buy with confidence. Don't miss out on this incredible vehicle. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information today.